Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix iPhone front camera black screen. If your iPhone's front camera is showing a black screen, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take to fix the issue. First method, a simple restart can often fix temporary software glitches affecting the camera. Press and hold the power button, then slide to power off. Turn the phone back on after a few seconds. Next method, force quit the camera app. Now open camera app. The camera app might be functioning properly. Force quitting and reopening the app can help this. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Find the camera app, then swipe up to close it, and then just reopen it. Another method, disable voiceover. Sometimes the voiceover feature can interfere with the camera. Go to the settings, accessibility, voiceover, and toggle it off if it's enabled. Another method, check for physical damage. Inspect your iPhone for any signs of physical damage, particularly around the camera area. If the iPhone was dropped or exposed to water, this could explain the black screen. Last method, contact Apple support. If the front camera still isn't working, there may be a hardware issue. You could contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for professional repair or replacement. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.